So we start off today's video with this container DIY project. I love looking at these because they look like they would be a really cool way to just kind of like upgrade a boring, plastic container that you get from the store. Oh wow, she's even adding some wood pieces onto this. Oh wow. Oh, this is absolutely amazing. She definitely elevated this. This doesn't even look like, the plastic container anymore. So cool. You would never in a million years think that that was the old boring plastic container. Crazy. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow, so this DIY looks like it involves a lot. So she has some tires here, some fabric, looks like a pleather, and then she did spray paint that wooden hoop that she had black. You can use a hula hoop as well. So I think for this particular DIY, she's making some type of chair. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely a chair. I'm just wondering how comfortable this would end up being. It's a very creative design. I'm just wondering how functional and comfortable it would be. Very cool. I think it would make for like a nice maybe outdoor or like patio seat or chair. Okay, so we have some pieces of wood here for the next one. I'm not sure what that was that she ended up burning. Okay, so it looks like she's making some kind of shelving. She has two pieces of wood here. Looks like a tiered shelf of some sort. Very pretty. I'm still wondering what she used though to flatten. Was that like some type of... I have no idea. I'm not even gonna try to guess what she used for that. And then we have this Home Sweet Home sign. This is a pretty cool project, and this is very beginner friendly as well. Nice, simple design, very cool. Alright, so we have some more of those interesting hangers. We saw some of these the other day. Oh, is she making a clock? No. Okay, what is this? Oh, maybe she's making another pot or something, or planter design. Oh yeah, that's definitely what this is for sure. Oh, she's adding little cardboard pieces and making a nice print with that. That's cute. Oh, I love the design of this. Very pretty. Very unique too. And then we have this really cool mirror design featuring popsicle sticks. This looks like really extravagant. Now I would say that this is also a beginner friendly project. I mean, popsicle sticks are always easy to work with. And I think this design that she creates is very unique and interesting. I've never seen this before. Oh, I didn't even notice that little detailing. That's pretty nice too. Really add some texture. And then she does take it a step further with the little mini mirrors. Very nice. Just a nice little mirror design overall. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video some love, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.